Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about factors that can affect climate. So the factors that can affect climate can be divided into two groups. One is factors that affect the climate, like temperature, and then the other one is precipitation. So today I'm going to be talking about the one that affect the temperature. So first one is latitude. So actually there are many things, but I'm only gonna bring up two. So there's latitude, elevation, ocean currents, and a few others. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is latitude. Latitude shows how far you are from north or south. So equator, like the earth is like round right here, like round, like say like this, okay? So then there's a invisible line in the middle that is that like divides the earth into north part and south part. So on the equator, that's where the sun is so the sun is here and the earth is here. So since the equator and the sun is pointing into the equator all time, so that means the equator is the hottest place, and as you move farther away from the equator, it goes colder. So like on the top and the north part of the earth, like Canada, it's super cold because they're in the Arctic. And at the bottom, Antarctica is super cold because they're on the bottom of the earth, the South Pole. So next one is elevation. Elevation show how high you are from sea level. So let's say here, this is the sea level. Sea level is here, and the mountain is this tall. You see, the mountains start from here. The mountains start from the yellow part here, but because of the sea level, we only count the part that's on top of the sea. So we, instead of measuring from the bottom, it measured from here. Let's say 13,000 feet, something like that. Just like building, they don't measure the foundation; they measure only the building on top, because we don't use the one on the ground, something like that. And also, the higher you go up into the atmosphere, the fewer air molecules there are to for you to absorb. So there's no for solar energy to absorb from it. So that makes it cooler because there's very little air molecules, so it's very cold up there. And some people think that, oh, why you cold up there, because you're closer to the sun. No, because we have atmosphere in our earth, so then the cloud and stuff is really cold. It's actually hot, but then because the air molecule is so far apart that we think that make the impression that it's cold. So yeah, done.